Let the kth term of the first series be ak. So ak will be 1 by 2k minus 1, 2 to the power 2k minus 1. And obviously you see that if k tends to infinity, then ak will be 0. So this may be convergent. Now according to Cauchy's theorem, we find 1 by k, this thing to the power 1 by k. This will be 1 by 2 2k to the power 1 by k, 1 minus 1 by 2k 1 by k into 2 to the power 2 minus 1 by k. Now let k tends to infinity. K to the power 1 by k is 1. So this thing will be 1 by 2 to the power 1 by k means 0, and k to the power 1 by k is 1, and this thing 1 minus 0 to the power 0 into 4, and this whole thing will be 1 by 4, which is less than 1. So first series, that is S, is convergent. Now the second, we should see the second now. Let the kth term of the second series be bk. So bk will be 3k minus 4 by 3k plus 2 to the power k plus 1 by 3. Now first we should check whether bk tends to 0 if k tends to infinity or not. So this can be changed as 1 minus 4 by 3k by 1 plus 2 by 3k. And here you see k by 3. First is k by 3. So you see in this, inside this 4 by 3k, so we write the reverse 3k by 4, but here should be k by 3, so we have to write 4 by 9 because cancellation gives k by 3. In the same way we do here. Here you see 2 by 3k, we put 3k by 2, and also k by 3 is also for the denominator, so we have to put here k by 3. So here we write 2 by 9. Now there is one more factor. You see, 1 by, we have taken k by 3 but not taken 1 by 3. So in the second factor we have to write 1 minus 4 by 3k and 1 plus 2 by 3k, and this time we put this 1 by 3. Now we let k tends to infinity. Bk, k tends to infinity gives us, this thing will be this thing will be e to the power minus 1 to the power this 4 by 9, and this thing will be e to the power 1 to the power 2 by 9, and putting k tends to infinity, this gives us 1 by 1, so 1, and you see that this is not equal to 0. So the second series, that is T, is divergent. So our option B is correct. In B you see S is convergent and T is divergent.